Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Veil Dog and you're cooking with me. So today on the chopping block we got creamy chicken and rice casserole. Okay, I got some chicken, some thin chicken strip breast right here I'm going to be using. I have some Italian style cheese I'm going to use. And I have some shredded Parmesan Romano and Asiana cheese right there I'm going to use. And I'm going to add some medium cheddar cheese I'm going to use. I have some Campbell's cream of chicken I'm going to use. And I have some spray butter that I'm going to use. And I have some chicken stock that I'm going to use. And I have some mixed vegetables. You can use any type of vegetable you want. This is the kind I'm going with today. Alright. Alright, I have some salt. And I have some pepper right here. And I have some onion powder. It's a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder combined together. And I have half a teaspoon of salt right here, sea salt. And I have some Old Bay. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this on top to give it some color. And this teaspoon of, not a teaspoon, but half a teaspoon of black pepper. You also will need some rice. I put 2.5 cups of rice up in here. And I'm going to go ahead and take this over there and get this going. I'm going to cook my rice a little bit. I ain't going to cook it all the way done because I'm going to put it in the oven. Alright? You will need a piece of foil. If you have a casserole dish, I do have one, but I'm making a lot, so I'm using this like this roaster pan. Alright? So saying that to say this, stay tuned in and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning up this meat. Take some of this sea salt, sprinkle some of that on there. Do the back side first, that's what I always do because it's going to be face side up. So to take some of this sea salt, sprinkle some of that on there, like so. Just like that. Just like that there, man. You heard me? Alright, we're going to kick that to the side. We're going to get us some black pepper. This coarse black pepper. Any type of pepper will do, so don't get confused. I just like this type of pepper. This is like a restaurant type of style pepper. I like a little spice in my life. You heard me. Alright. Okay, this should be it right there. Okay, and if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned in and hit that bell. It's a bell on there. As soon as you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell pop up. Okay. So that's one side down. Okay. I love these. I love these. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over on the front side, like so. What should I say? Just like these. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go get our salt. We're gonna sprinkle that on there again. Okay. You can sprinkle how much you want on yours. I don't put a lot of salt on my stuff because I got that high blood pressure down. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this black pepper. Now I'm going to tell you the trick to this. If you go up high with it, spread it around evenly. Okay? So you do it high like that, just spread on it evenly. See how that do? See how that do right there, man? Alright. Just like that. Alright. I'll get my mixture of my onion and garlic powder. Put that on there. Alright. We're going to let this sit up and marinate till the rice get done. We're going to cook it all the way now. Remember, we're not cooking it all the way. We're just going to cook it enough so when we put this in the oven, it cook all the way through. And plus, I like to get some of that starch out of my rice. Alright, we'll save this for later. And I'll be back. Oh, did I tell you about the vegetable? This is a Normandy vegetable, mixed vegetable. Okay, that's what it's called. Alright, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, I did my rice. I let it cook for about 5 minutes. Here's the rice. Okay, this rice is jasmine rice, just in case you guys want to know. I cooled it down, and I'm going to go ahead and take my spoon. I also rinsed the rice maybe about 6 times. We're going to go ahead and put our rice in there. The reason why you want to cool it down because you're about to put some raw meat in there, okay? You don't want to cook your meat like that. You want it to cook together. So, alright. Okay, we got our rice in here. Spread that around. Alright, we'll spread that out. Okay. We got our vegetables. We're going to put our vegetables in there. Alright. Just mix that around in there. Alright, chicken broth. Try to use I don't know, we'll find out in a minute. Yep, looks like we're going to use the whole thing. Alright. So that's 2 pounds of that. 32 ounces. Okay. Go ahead and mix this up. Just like so. Take our cream of chicken. Campbell's cream of chicken. And just pour that in there. I want it all. Okay. That's about it right there. Preheated our oven to 450 degrees. Stir this round up in here. Okay. It should get coated evenly, as they say, distribute evenly. Okay. Now I didn't tell you that, but I have some ginger, and I'm going to put a little of this ginger in there. Okay, sprinkle a little bit of ginger in there. Okay, this is probably about half a teaspoon of ginger. don't know how anybody make theirs, but this is how I'm making mine. I have an immaculate palate. I don't do recipes like that. I just cook. I know how to put stuff together. So if you guys want to know, that's what I do. So, okay, this looks like this. Pretty good. Alright. Then we're going to go ahead. Take us a little spray butter on that. Take a little black pepper. Sprinkle that on there. Or in there. Okay. Little onion garlic. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and take, I'm going to put that on last. I'm going to go ahead and take my chicken. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do with this chicken, I'm going to go ahead and cut this chicken in half pieces. Okay? Just start placing it in there like that. Okay. Like this one. That over that way. Push this over that way. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is take some of this Old Bay and just sprinkle, dust it pretty much on top. Okay? Like so. This is how it should look. Alright? Don't worry about all that juice. It's going to soak up with that rice and finish cooking off the rice. Wash my hands up a little bit here. Put on foil. Just put our foil on there tight. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the oven. And when it gets done, we'll have a look. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Just took that out the oven. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and start adding some of this cheese and stuff on it. We're going to spray it down one more last time with the spray butter. Okay. Tasted it, tasted pretty good. We're going to go ahead and put our cheese on it. We're going to start with our cheddar. Alright. One baked dish. All in one. Alright, we're going to go with our Italian style cheese. So I think I used, let's see how many cups is on in here, 8 ounces. So I probably use 4 ounces of the cheese, with that cheddar. I'll probably use like a cup of this, the Italian. And with the shredded Parmesan Romano Asiago cheese, I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on top of it. Okay, that's what this is. I'm going to sprinkle that on there. Alright, that should be it. That's probably about 2 tablespoons. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the oven. Zoom in a little bit for you. You can see it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put that in the oven. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the finished product. One last thing before I plate this up. Take some fresh parsley. Sprinkle that on there.
I think in 18 months minimum before fans believe Empire is Empire again.
Financially, the road is longer and bumpier. Angel made bad investments and took on considerable debt.
Alright.
I sketched out 5 songs.
And then, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up.
Yeah, well, why can't Patel pump some money into this? That's not going to happen.
What about the money your ex-husband took?
Oh, I've been there.
And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Just got through plating it up. Hope you guys enjoy this. And please like, share, and subscribe to this video, where Veldog will be making restaurant quality foods or better. From my home to yours. Let's get cooking.